More Shape Riddles, Unit 5, Module 4, Session 3. For today's lesson, you're going to need the shapes that you cut out from the lesson on Monday. Today we will identify, name, describe, compare two-dimensional shapes, including triangles, rectangles, hexagons, squares, rhombuses, circles, and trapezoids. We will demonstrate an understanding of the difference between the defining and non-defining attributes of two-dimensional shapes. Draw a two-dimensional shape with specific defining attributes. Make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Look for and make use of structure. There's a shape in my pocket. We're going to play a game today that we played a few days ago that is very similar to There's a Shape in My Pocket. You will use the shape cards that you cut out and have saved inside your baggie from Monday. I will give you clues that help you discover the identities of two different mystery shapes. Get your materials ready. Pause if you need to find your shapes. Get them all laid out on your workspace. More shape riddles. Set out all of your shapes so you can see each one. I'm going to give you one clue at a time. As you eliminate a shape, set it in a pile next to you on your workspace. Guess my shape 3, because Monday we did 1 and 2. Clue number 1. My shape has more than 3 sides. A circle has no sides, so we can take that out. If it has more than 3 sides, anything that has 3 sides can go in our pile. So we take out our equilateral triangle, our right triangle, and our scalene triangle. My shape has fewer than 6 sides. So looking at the shapes you have left, if it has fewer than 6, then the hexagon must go because it has 6. Fewer is less than. My shape has 4 vertices. Well, looking at the shapes you have left, that doesn't eliminate anything. A trapezoid has 4 vertices. A rhombus has 4 vertices. A square has 4 vertices. And a rectangle has 4 vertices. One side of my shape is longer than the other 3 sides. That's a huge clue because a square has equal sides. They're all the same. Goes in the pile. The same goes for the rhombus. The sides are equal. Put it in the pile. Now we have the trapezoid and the rectangle. The rectangle has the top and bottom that are the same, and the 2 sides are the same. So it's clearly not our rectangle. So what shape do we have left? Can you guess my shape? It's a trapezoid. Great work, people. Okay, spread your shapes out again. Get ready for Guess My Shape number 4. My shape has straight sides. That only eliminates our friend the circle. Everything else has straight sides. My shape has 3 vertices. We know that shapes that have 3 sides and 3 vertices are called, if you said triangle, you are correct. So that takes out our trapezoid, our hexagon, rhombus, rectangle, and square. You should be left with a scalene triangle, an equilateral triangle, and a right triangle. None of the sides on my shape are equal. Okay, so equilateral has almost the word equal in it. All 3 sides are the same, so it's going in the pile. On our right triangle, the 2 sides are equal. The hypotenuse is longer, so it's going in the pile. Can you guess my shape? It's the scalene triangle. Nice job. Okay, put your shapes back in the bag and think about what you have learned about solving this kind of problem. We went through attributes. How many sides? Were they straight? Were they equal? And we narrowed it down by process of elimination. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks a bunch, and we'll be talking to you tomorrow.